The National Identity Management Commission (NIMC) has enrolled 86 million Nigerians into the National Identity Database in 10 years. The Director General and Chief Executive Officer of NIMC, Malam Aliyu Aziz, made this known during a lunchtime seminar organized by the Bureau of Public Service Reforms (BPSR) in Abuja. Aziz, who spoke via Zoom, said that the Commission has also issued enrollees with the National Identification Number (NIN) from 2012 to July 2022. He reiterated the Commission's commitment to provide identity authentication and verification services, harmonize and integrate existing ID database, preserve, protect, secure, and safeguard the data of the NIDP.
A nation cannot truly be a sovereign state if it does not know its people or have a unique way of identifying them. A government's knowledge of its people, that is citizens and all residents, is fundamental to planning, governance, fiscal management, accountability, security, etc., just as the DG mentioned in his introduction. And this knowledge must begin at birth, with birth registration, and extend to house numbering, street naming, and issuance of a unique identifier through a national identification system. So all this to show that there are linkages between all the government systems. It's not only ID in isolation, and it extends to knowing who, where, social and economic circumstances of the people in order to plan. And establishing a foundational ID is the first step to empowering people and facilitating access to basic government services. And that both civil registration and vital statistics system and also the national identity management system are the foundational IDs in Nigeria. They must talk to each other. So without proper identity, people are excluded from those basics, will not be able to build our nation.
Also speaking, the DG of BPSR said the essence of the lunchtime seminar was to help Nigerians keep abreast with reforms in the public service delivery.
There's a strong collaboration between identification, identity management, and reforms that this agency is driving. Both are central in realizing effective delivery of important government services to the citizens of this country. To this end, the Bureau of Public Service Reforms, as part of its mandate to coordinate, monitor, and evaluate reforms in order to determine the extent of achievement of reform goals of the central administration, coordinating agencies of government as a basis for alignment and realignment, broker peaceful and joint activity between NIMC, JAM, and other agencies of government. Prerequisite for candidates' registration processes. The results indicate that progress has been made, although there is need for NIMC to give more support to JAM and other agencies of government that are looking for data or are collecting data. Our guest speaker will help us to appreciate the effort of NIMC towards achieving a single national identification where existing forms of identification such as national driver's license and international passport will be aligned and scrutinized. Participants will also get answers to the following questions. What are other achievements of NIMC towards data harmonization? What are the challenges and ways forward towards national identity ecosystem in Nigeria?